ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं भाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद उज्जुर्ब्राह्मण तृतीय अध्याय पेज नंबर 769 टीका। रविचंद्रमसौर्योवान रविचंद्रमसौर्यावान मयूखैरवभास्यते ससमुद्रसरिच्छैला तावती पृथिवी स्मृता इति स्मृतेः इत्याह। ये स्मृति इज गिवन हियर। स्मृति वाक्य रवि चंद्रमसोहो, वेर रवि सूर्य एंड चंद्रमा, यावान मयूखै, मयूख मीन्स रेज किरण, मयूख भित्ति मुनिर्वाग विभाति, हो गया ना, अवभाष्यते। ससमुद्र, समुद्रेण सह, ससमुद्र, ससमुद्र मीन्स सह तेन सह इति तुल्य योगे, दैट इज द सूत्र। ससमुद्र, सरित rivers, shaila, mountains, tavati prithvi, that much is the measure of the prithvi, smrita. In bhashya द्वात्रिंशतम वै द्वे अधिकम त्रिंशत द्वात्रिंशतम, द्वे अधिकम त्रिंशत द्वात्रिंशत 32, द्वे अधिके द्वात्रिंशत वा द्वात्रिंशतम। वै देवरथ आह्यानि, देवरथाह्यानि, देव आदित्य, आदित्यः तस्य रथो देवरथः, तस्य रथस्य गत्या आहना, गति मीन्स आहना, गति आहना, यावत् परिच्छिन्ने, यावत् परिच्छिद्यते देश परिमाणम तद्देव रथाह्न्यम। सो सूर्य देवता's रथ, chariot, how much distance it covers means the rays can it travel, the surya kirana, यावत् परिच्छिद्यते देश परिमाणम, देवरथ आह्न्यम, देवरथ आह्न्यम, तद्वात्रिंशत गुणितम, 32 times that, द्वात्रिंशत गुणितम, देवरथ ह्यानि, देवरथह्न्यानि, अह्नि अह्न्यानि, अह्न मीन्स डे, तावत् परिमाणो यम लोकः, अयम लोको तावत् परिमाणः, लोकालोक गिरिणा परिक्षिप्तः, लोकालोक पर्वत इज देयर, This all description is given in Purana. So Loka Parvata covers entire Loka. Beyond that, there is no Loka like that. It means beyond that, this Loka is not there. Other things might be there. टीका लोकभागम तत्र लोकभागम विभजते. So what is the lokabhaga? Yatra vairajam shariram yatra cha karma phala upabhogah praninam sa esha loka etavan loko atah parama lokah atah nahi atah param alokah. So vairajam shariram, whatever is the size of the virat, yatra cha karma phala upabhogah, whatever is where karma phala upabhoga happens for all pranis, saha esha lokah, that is called lokaha. Atah param alokaha, because loka is given, so aloka beyond this. Tam lokam samantam samantato loka vistarat द्विगुण परिमाण विस्तारेण परिमाणेन तं लोकम परिक्षिप्ता परियेति पृथ्वी. So what is aloka? तम लोकम समंतम समंततः लोक विस्तारात द्विगुण परिमाण. So that which is twice of the size of loka is aloka. विस्तारेण परिमाणेन तम लोकम परिक्षिप्ता परियेति पृथ्वी. So aloka is where karma phala is not there. Therefore, there are no prani, there are no jivas. That is aloka. Because all karma phalas are only within loka. In Hindi, it is given, उस लोक के चारों तरफ लोक विस्तार के दो गुणा परिणाम, परिणाम ने परिमाण चाहिए. परिमाण आपके पुस्तक में परिमाण है. परिमाण विस्तार वाले परिमाण से परिणाम से परिमाण वाले परिमाण से पृथ्वी घेर कर व्याप्त है. So the earth pervades the, which is of the size of twice of this aloka. But when they say earth means it includes samudra, etc. परिक्षिप्ता परियेति पृथ्वी परितो व्याप्ता ताम पृथ्वीम तथैव समन्तं द्विहि तावत् द्विगुणेन परिमाणेन समुद्रः परियेति. Around this Prithvi, there is twice the size of samudra. Samudra pariyati. Yam ghanodam achakshate pauranika, which is called ghanoda. Now, if you take Prithvi as the globe, outside of that, twice the size of ocean, so we will wonder what they are saying. But if you say Prithvi means the land mass, and twice the size of that is water mass, and that we can understand. So in some places you will have to think differently, or there may be some other ocean, etc., that we have no idea yet, and maybe it is gone and it will come back again. Who knows? Uktam hi अंडस्यास्य समन्तात्तु सन्निविष्टोऽमृतो दधिः समन्ताद् घनतो येन धार्यमाणः स तिष्ठति इति। अंडस्य अस्य समन्तात्तु सन्निविष्टो अमृतो दधिः. This around that is Amrita Dadi. Amrita Rupa Dadi, Andasyasya Samantat. All around this under, Prithvi under, is this Amrita. Amrita Udadi means ocean with Amrita, filled with nectar. So there are 7 kinds of samudras that are talked about. So this is one of them. Lavana Samudra, Ikshu Samudra, and ghee is there, and Dugdha is there, Dadi is there, so many things are there. And then Amrita is there. Tika. So Samantat Ghanatoyena Dharyamanaha Saha Tishtati. Saha Dharyamanaha Amruto Dadihi Tishtati. Purnaha. Filled completely with that. Tika. Tad Yavati Ityades Tatparyam Aha. Now this Tad Yavati is given in the mantra. Tad he explains. तत्र अंडकपालयोर विवर परिमाण विवर परिमाण the vivar means entry point, like in Ramayana, you know that vivar, they all entered in the vivar, only Vanaras, right? Hanumanji and all. And then where they came out, they saw ocean, samudra. That is Vivara. Chidra, here it is given. Vivarena margena bahir nirgachanta. So, Vivara parimanam, what is that? Yena vivarena margena bahir nirgachanto vyapnuvanti ashwamedha yajinaha. From that, having entered, they come out. Who? Ashwamedha yajinaha, those who do Ashwamedha yaga. Means they go beyond this Amrutodadhi also. Tika. Lokadi parimane yathokta ritya sthite sati iti yavat. Tatra means lokadi parimane yathokta ritya sthite sati. This lokadi parimana yathokta ritya, it is sthita. Then further is this kapala, to kapala. So it is like this. Imagine there are two kapala. This is Prithvi. From that there is Chidra Parimana. From that they come out. This is Vivarana Margena. Vivarena Margena. Vivara Marga is this. Between the Andakapala. In Tika, कपाल विवरस्य अनुपयुक्तत्वात् किम तत्परिमाण चिंतया इति आशंका. Kapala vivara. So there are certain things you have to remember. We will read now and then we will probably have no impression because we will not remember them again. We want to remember I am Brahma, I am Jagat Karana, I am all pervading, etc. etc. What is lacking is Vairagya. So when what happens in this is a trick of the mind. When such things come, I am Brahma, I am Brahma. Means when Upanishad class is going on, I want to think I am Brahma, not pay attention to what is going on. As soon as we go out, the whole world comes. I have to do this, I have to do that. There are so many, all vikshepas. So that's why when something is taught, that is when I have to pay full attention and I should be fully available there. This is called Chitta Shuddhi. What is vikshepa is, what is said by the Shastra, I will not pay attention and I will go on doing something at that time. And then when I am by myself or somewhere, whatever, then all prapancha begins. Then what happened to your Chitta Shuddhi and Aham Brahma? They are out of that window. This is what happens. So we should not live in some illusion that I have a lot of Chitta Shuddhi and all this is not needed for me. Because if that was the case, then Bhagavan Bhashyakar would not write Bhashya or Tikakar would not write Tika. Bhagavan Bhashyakar is so wonderful. He has written Bhashya on 5th chapter, 6th chapter of Brihadaranyaka, including there where the Putra Utpatti Prakriya and everything is given. He has written Bhashya on that in Upanishad. And Anand Giri has written Tika also. Because he is total Anugami of Guru. Whatever he has said, he will just do it. But we all are little advanced, so we will. Bhagavan Bhashyakar probably didn't know what he was thinking. I know better. So then we will start. And that's where we don't reach anywhere. Kapala vivarasya anupayuktatvat kin tat parimana chintaya iti ashankyaha yena vivarena margena bahir nirgachata. Means I'm not saying any one of you. I'm just saying if somebody has such idea, then they should give up those ideas. Vyavahar bhumi hi saptamyartha. Saptamyartha is tatra. In Bhashya. Tat tatra yavati yavat parimana shurasya dhara agram yavadva saukshmena yuktam makshikayaha patram तावन परिमाणो अंतरेण मध्ये अंडकपालयोः आकाशश्छिद्रम तेन आकाशेन इति एतत् तत्र. So that tatra is saptami artha, what was given earlier on the previous page, vyavahara bhumau. In this way you should understand. Yavati yavat parimana kshurasya dhara. So in that Vyavahara Bhumi, how much ever is that sharpness of the Kshura, that razor's edge, only the edge part. Agram. Yavadvav Saukshmena Yuktam Makshikaya. So one is for, both are for Sukshmata only. Sukshmata Drashtanta. Saukshmena Yuktam Makshikaya Patram. Makshika, the fly. तावान् तावत् परिमाणो अंतरेण मध्ये अंडकपालयोः आकाशच्छिद्रम. So that chidra is only that much sukshma through which jiva will go. तेन आकाशेन इति एतत्. टीका. Further in भाष्य. तान् पारीक्षितान् अश्वमेध याजिनः प्राप्ता निन्द्रः. So this was the word, not न इंद्रः, निन्द्रः. निन्द्रः. निन्द्रः परमेश्वरो यो अश्वमेधे अग्निश्चितः. So Nindraha here does not mean Indra. Nindraha doesn't mean Parameshwar, means Brahma. Nindraha here means Agnihi is given in Bhashya itself. Yo Ashwamedhe Agnihi Chitaha. That Chita Agni is called Nindraha. Agnischa asau Chitascha. Iti Agnichita. Agnihi. So there is no samasa. Agnihi Chitaha. Agnishchitaha. That which is Agni, which is Chitaha, whose Chayana is done, in which Agni Virat Upasana is done. That also you should know. See, 5 number and 6 number, Virat Upasita. So Agni refers to that Virat which is Upasita. Suparno. Tika. Suparna Shabdasya Shyena Sadrishyam Ashritya Chitye Agnau Pravrittim Darshayati. Suparna Shabda Shyena means a Baj Pakshi, big eagle. Suparna Shabdasya Shena Sadrisham Ashritya Chitye Agnau Pravrittim Darshayati. What is the pravritti in the Agni? Suparno Yad Vishayam Darshanam Uttam. Darshanam means online students. What is Darshanam?
Jnanam. Jnanam.
Little bit more accurate word. It is not wrong. It's correct only, but
Samadhi.
Upasana. Darshanam means Upasana. Yad Vishayam Darshanam Uttam. Upasana is of that Virat Agni. Tasya Prachi Dik Shiraha Ityadina. So earlier it was said Tasya Prachi Dik Shiraha Ityadina. Suparnaha Pakshi Bhutva. Paksha Puchhadyatmakaha Suparno Bhutva. Vayave Prayachan Murtatvan Na Asti Atmano Gatis Tatra Iti. So whose Upasana was mentioned earlier by Tasya Prachidik etc. Suparna Pakshi Bhutva. Paksha Puchhadyatmakaha. Pakshi will have Paksha, Puchha, etc. Paksha Puchhadyatmakaha Suparno. Suparna means Pakshi. Bhutva. Vayave Prayachan. To Vayu Devata, he is handed over. Means he as if becomes one with Vayu. Murtatvan na asti atmano gatis tatra iti. which is sthula. So Shariradi, etc. will not be there. He has to become Amurta. So Vayu is Amurta. टीका उक्तार्थम पदम अनुवदति सुपर्ण इति. Suparno bhutva. So those padas are mentioned again. Uktartham padam anuvadati. Bhutva iti asya arthamaha paksha iti. Paksha puchchadhyatmaka. Nanu चित्यो अग्निः अंडात् बहिर् अश्वमेध याजिनो गृहीत्वा स्वयमेव गच्छतु किमिति तान् वायवे प्रयच्छति तत्र आह. चित्यो अग्निः अंडात् बहिः चित्यो अग्निः अंडात् बहि is there in the book? Bahi. Ba. Andat Bahi. Because outside of the anda it has to go. Andat Bahi. If your book says Vahihi, then make it Ba. Andat Bahihi Ashwamedha Yajino Grihitva Swayam eva gacchatu. Kimiti tan vayave prayachati. You see, this Agni himself should do this. Why he gives it to Vayu? He can take Ashwamedha Yajinaha and Swayam eva gacchatu. Kimiti tan vayave prayachati. So like you see, there are questions also on this. There will be people who will say, why you want to ask question on this? Murtatvat, because Murta Agni doesn't have Gati there. Vayu is Amurta. Therefore, what are the Murta Dravyas, online students?
Prithvi, Up, Teja, Vayu.
Prithvi, Teja, Vayu, and how many more? How many of you think it is correct? Prithvi, Up, Teja only, not Vayu. Vayu is Amurta. It is given in that line. It has to become Amurta to take it further. Tan in Bhashya. तान पारीक्षितान वायुः आत्मनि धित्वा स्थापयित्वा स्वात्म भूतान कृत्वा. So what Vayu does, he puts them in self, means he makes them one with himself, not because Vayu wants, because they have done that upasana, they have done that tadatmya, therefore they are one with prana. So atmani sthapayitva swatma bhutan kritva, they become one with himself. Dhitva. Dhitva, what is the dhatu? No, dhi dharane. Dhi dharane dhatu. Because otherwise you will have the question, how dha will become dhi? Tudadi gana dhatu. Dhitva sthapayitva. Swatma bhutan kritva. Tatra tasmin agamayat. There he goes. Who goes? Vayu. Tika. Atmanas chityasya agnehe iti yavat. Atmanas chityasya agnehe. Atma means this Agni. Tatra iti andat bahya deshoktihi. Andat bahya, outside of the anda. Iti yuktam vayave pradhanam iti shesha. Therefore, it is appropriate that Agni hands over those parisheshas to Vayu. Then Vayu will take further. Qua in Bhashya, yatra purve atikrantaha parikshita ashwamedha yajino abhavan iti. There were earlier purve atikrantaha parikshitaha ashwamedha yajino abhavan iti. Evam iva va evameva sa gandharvo vayum eva prashashamsa parikshitanam gatim. In the same way, this Gandharva told Vayum eva prashasansa. He did the prashansa of the Vayu. Parikshitanam gatim. Tika आख्यायिका समाप्तौ इति शब्दः. Ashwamedha yajino abhavan iti. That iti is आख्यायिका समाप्ति. Samapta आख्यायिका. What is parikshita? Earlier we already saw in the tippani, but here tika it is given the same meaning. Parito duritang kshiyate yena saha parikshit ashwamedha tadyajinah parikshitaha tesham gatim vayum iti sambandhah. That by which all duritam kshiyate is called parikshita. भाष्य आख्यायिका निर्वृत्तम तु अर्थम आख्यायिका तो अपसृत्य श्रुति ही स्वमुखे नैव आचष्टे अस्मभ्यम. आख्यायिका is over. Now Shruti gives the artha apasritya आख्यायिकाम अपसृत्य आख्यायिकातः. Shruti separating itself from the आख्यायिका स्वमुखेन gives the extra the phalashruti. यस्माद् वायुः स्थावर जंगमानां भूतानां अंतरात्मा बहिश्च स एव तस्माद् अध्यात्म अधिभूत अधिदैव भावेन विविधा या अष्टिर व्याप्तिः स वायु एव. वायुरेव. व्यष्टि, व्हाट इज व्यष्टि? विविधा अष्टिः व्याप्तिः सह व्यष्टिः. So Sthavar and Jangamanam Bhutanam, all the Jiva and Ajiva, Antaratma, the one who is the Antaratma, because Sutratma, Bahishya, outside also, Sa Eva Tasmat, Adhyatma Adhibhuta Adhidaiva Bhavena, that alone is all the three, Adhyatma Adhibhuta and Adhidaiva Bhavena, Vividha Yashtihi Vyapti Sa Vayu Tatha Samashtihi, that alone is Samashti also. टीका मुनिवचने वर्तमाने कथम आख्यायिका समाप्ति ही तत्र. मुनिवचन is existing. Why do you say आख्यायिका is over? It says आख्यायिका is over. Now Shruti vachanam is there. Vayu prashansayam hetum aha. What is the hetu for Vayu prashansa? Because yasmat वायु स्थावर जंगमानां भूतानां अंतरात्मा. Therefore तथा समष्टि ही केवलेन सूत्रात्मना वायु एव. समष्टि मीन्स ओनली सूत्रात्मा वायु. व्यष्टि मीन्स अधिभूत अध्यात्म अधिदैव भावेन विविधा व्यष्टि. Each individual is called व्यष्टि. All put together is समष्टि. टीका किम पुनर्यथोक्त वायु तत्व विज्ञान फलम तद आह. What is the phalam of this vayu tattva vijnanam? Evam vayum atmanam samashti vyashti rupatmakatvena upagacchati ya evam veda. The one who does this upasana, then that sadhaka upasaka attains samashti vyashti atmaka vayu upagacchati. य एवं वेद तस्य किं फलम, व्हाट इज इट्स फलम, अप पुनर्मृत्युम जयति सकृन् मृत्वा पुनर्न मिरीयते, once he will die then again he will not die, पुनर्मृत्युम अपजयति then krama mukti he will get. So upasanas, there are varieties of upasanas. Pratika upasana is there. This kind of samvarga upasana we already saw, right? Earlier samvarga. Ahangraha upasana is there. And then in ahangraha upasana you have dahar upasana. In pratika upasana, this omkaradi are there, or the panchagni upasana, chandogya, what is given. So like that, so many kinds of different upasanas are there. Some will give krama mukti, some will give brahma loka prapti, and then punaha prapti of different loka. Apa punarmrityum jayati sakran mritva punarnamriyate. Tatah atmanah prashna nirnayad bhujyur lahyayanihi upararama. So now, because Bhujyu Lahyayani got the answer of his question, so he withdrew. Upararama. Upararama. Tatasya sa eva apratibharupam nigraham prapta. Ityartha. So he thought apratibharupa nigraha Yajnavalkya ji will get. Instead, he himself got the apratibharupa nigraham. Iti Brahadaranyaka bhashye Tritiyadhyayasya Tritiyam Brahmanam. In this way, Tritiyadhyaya Tritiya Brahmana is samaptam. So Bhujyu Brahmana is over. Next is going to be Ushasta Brahmana, Ushasta Chakrayana. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.